If you search for wireless earbuds on the internet, you're bound to find thousands of different options, and I mean thousands. Forget Samsung, Apple, Google, Sony, LG, and all those other large companies. You'll find pretty much anything you want. Now, these larger companies are getting almost to fame, and to be honest, I wish they really didn't. That is why I want to talk about the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro wireless earbuds from Anker. Now, Anker is actually a very well-known brand in portable chargers, cables, wireless chargers, and so much more. However, they've been at the headphone market for a while now, and I've also had my eyes on these bad boys. Thankfully, Anker reached out to me if I wanted to check out these earbuds out. So, Anker, thank you again for the awesome opportunity. Alright, let's dive right in for the full review. Design. The matte texture on this and the way you open it by sliding the lid is super unique. The earbuds themselves are held in place magnetically and they pop right in place. The earbuds fit perfectly in my ears, mainly because I was able to change the tip of the earbuds so it could fit in my ear. And guess what? The way the earbuds sit in your ear actually impacts the sound and use. So really sit down and try each ear tip to see which is the perfect fit. I myself spent literally about 10 minutes trying out the perfect ear tip that fit comfortably in my ear. Now, these earbuds also have an IPX4 rating, which means they are sweat resistant, but not entirely waterproof. I used these on a run and I had no issue with them falling out. If you're looking for a pair of workout earbuds, give these guys a look. The Liberty 2 Pro does not feel cheap at all, and the sliding lid of the charging case, yeah, that's my favorite part of the design, and the earbuds as well. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, I'd really appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and pushes my content to more people. Connection. The Soundcore Liberty 2 Pros will automatically connect to the device as soon as you take them out of the case, which is super handy. It's also pretty good at automatically disconnecting when you put them back in the case. Now, these are rocking Bluetooth 5.0, which is a plus. On top of that, these also have both AAC and aptX, so whether you're on Android or iOS, you shouldn't have lip sync issues when watching videos on your phone or tablet. Another thing to take note, and I've seen a lot of people who look for this particular feature, but that is single use. You can use each earbud dependently, so if you want to use the left or right earbud alone, you have that option. Each earbud has a single button and the controls work as you'd expect. A single tap on either button will pause, play music, or answer phone calls. A double tap can either return to the previous song or skip to the next song, depending on which earbud you're clicking. You can also raise the volume by holding down the right button, while holding down the left one will decrease the volume. You can customize the buttons and also reroute them to access the voice assistant on your phone instead. To do this, you'll have to use the Soundcore app on your phone. The app is available on both Android and iOS. Now, there's a Hear ID function built into the app, which takes you through a short hearing test and then customizes you the sound profile to your hearing. This way, you can create a custom EQ profile however you would like. I have not had any connection issues, or just a general use of these earbuds. It's very simple and straightforward. Battery life. Okay, so Anker claims that the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pros will last you 8 hours of constant playback on a single charge, with the charging case providing another 3 full charges. And you know what? That was actually spot on. A single charge for me lasts about 8 hours and 10 minutes. These perform way better than my Sony WF-1000 XM3s. I've been using these earbuds for nearly a month now, and let me tell you, anything with long battery life, count me in. I also have a pair of Alki earbuds, which are pretty decent, but those don't even come near the Liberty 2 Pros, especially in terms of battery life. The case also has wireless charging, so that you can place on any Qi wireless charging mat and juice up to full. It also has USB-C, which I am a huge fan of. Thank you, Anker. Every company and brand is shifting to USB-C, and it's quite normal to see them in phones. However, when we get micro USB in something like earbuds, it just adds one extra cable, which might not seem like a problem, but having one cable to charge all of your products is super useful. The set of earbuds also has quick charge. A 10-minute charge converts to 2 hours of use. If battery is your issue with earbuds and you want a long-lasting set, do consider the Liberty 2 Pros. Sound. Now, I am by no means an expert on sound quality. I do know the basic terms, but that's it. However, I can also tell what good sound quality is. It's like, I don't know, a human instinct. The bass, the mids, the highs on these earbuds are actually very good. I've had no issue with listening to music or podcasts for that matter. Everything is precise and super clear. There isn't any active noise cancellation, but they still do a pretty good job by blocking out sound. I've been using these, like I said, for almost a month now, and take my word for it, the sound quality is enjoyable. I've really sat down and used these earbuds at every given opportunity, so when I say they perform well, I really do mean it. There is, however, one caveat. These shouldn't be your first choice to use them on phone calls. While most of the time they were alright, other times I have heard a few complaints from the other side that my voice was coming out a little bit muffled. This I never had on the Sony XM3s. Albeit, I've been at home making phone calls, so there really wasn't any distraction, or I wasn't outside with excessive noise. But even having my voice come out muffled once or twice can raise eyebrows for some. My final thoughts. These are truly good sounding earbuds. As I'm writing this voiceover, I'm also using the earbuds, and I'll just say it. If you're looking for good sounding, true wireless earbuds, then these are it. Not just sound quality, but everything about them. The IPX4 rating, the durable case, the USB-C input, wireless charging compatibility, the amazing battery life, and the price. These all contribute to how amazing these set of earbuds are. I'm glad that Anker priced these for $150. It might be considered expensive by many, but when you compare them to something like the Sony XM3s or the AirPods Pro, then we consider them to be a little bit more budget. Yes, an $80 or even $100 makes a huge difference. You'll notice on the box that it says recommended by 10 Grammy-winning audio producers. And you know, I really believe that too. While there are options that cost less and might have more features, they don't sound as good as the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pros. These earbuds should be one of your choices when deciding on a new pair of earbuds. 100% recommend these. In fact, I'll continue to use these over my Sony XM3s. You can disagree with me here, but this is just my choice, and I am very happy with it. If you go with these earbuds, you won't be disappointed either. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.